Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy summer poncho. And it's very easy, it's just one row repeat. And you can use any size yarn and any size hook. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, Hectanuga Patterns is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. To make this easy poncho, you can work with any size yarn and any size hook. I'm working with a worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Start with a foundation chain that's as long as you would like your shawl or poncho to be, in multiples of 7 plus 6. So go ahead and start your foundation chain, and to make a chain you simply pick up the yarn and pull it through the loop that's on the hook. Okay, when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, that's the third stitch, and make a double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1 double crochet, 2, and 3. And that is going to be the equivalent of 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2, 1, 2. Skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 5 double crochet. You're going to continue that across the row. So chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you're going to work that way all the way across your foundation chain. And that's what that looks like. And now you're just going to repeat row after row. So you will repeat this row until your shawl is the desired width. So chain 2 and turn. You're going to double crochet in each of these 4 stitches. You're going to work in the back side of the stitch for this pattern all the way through. And to work in the back side, you just look at the stitches from above. You work only in that back side of the stitch. So you're going to double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's the equivalent of 5. So now we're just going to keep repeating the previous row. So we had a chain 2 there, so we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in the 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then the 5th one. Okay, so you can see what we're doing. We're working a double crochet in each of the double crochets below, chain 2 space above the chain 2 space. You're just going to repeat that across the row, and you're going to work row after row of this same stitch pattern until your work is the desired width. And that is usually from one elbow to the other elbow. So you can make this to fit any size. Now when you're at the end of the row, you have 4. Your turning chain was the other double crochet, and you're going to double crochet in that last stitch. So that's your stitch pattern. You end with 5 double crochets. Like that, and you're just going to keep working row after row after row until this reaches from elbow to elbow. And you're going to make 2 of these, and then you're going to join them at the top, leaving enough room in the center to pull this on over your head. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this creamy summer poncho or shawl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.